Wala akong inatrack na libro ngayon kaya books.com. Siguro yan may plastic ah. Taon ko na bang gusto magkaroon. Chicken soup for the soul. Chicken soup for the soul.
Tingin.
Is the president known for motivator? Chicken soup for the soul inspired the leader helps us remember the importance of things in life. Love, connections, and gratitude. Gratitude is the number one root for success. I can't rest in peace. Ba't ganun? Hanap tayo ng headings na wala natin mabuksan. Rest in peace. That I can't funeral. Ooh. Ano yun?
Ready na ako. Ako ready na ako.
Rest in peace.
Hindi, may ano na ako. Funeral eh, sabi. Gustuhan mo? Patingin! Tingin!
Please do it for us kids. Chicken soup for the soul. So, I heard this book na for many years. It's not just 5 years, more than 7-8 years na. So, I'm wondering ano yung laman ng book na to. So, it takes time for me na. Ito yung perfect time for me to read this book na. So, thank you, love. Money and fame don't automatically make people happy. It has to come from within. Chicken soup for the soul. Chicken soup for the soul. Will put a million smile in your heart. Ooh, it's more in gratitude. It's more in... Kasi balance yun eh. Inner self and money. So, this book will help me realize more about true life. Grateful heart. Thank you, love. Yung gift ko.